This mulatto soap has been working for me. This 5D mulatto soap we are gonna make now, it has been working for me for years now, guys. If you have a stubborn skin or you have a problem in formulating mulatto soap, this recipe is for you. This is gonna help to whiten up your skin without lotion or oil. So if you want to know how I make this, just watch this video to the end. Don't skip. If today is your first time of stopping by, hi, Fresh Beauty World here, welcome back to my channel. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you want to be seeing interesting videos like this. So just subscribe and turn on your post notification. You can as well do well to check around for other videos. We have videos on how to make mulatto soap. We have several videos on how to make mulatto soap, oils, lotions, scrub, like everything you need to know about skincare. And feel free to ask questions and also request for any other video you want me to make for you, okay? And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. I'm sorry I always disappoint you guys on my look. Yes, I just love it simple. My name is supposed to be simple. I love it simple. I don't want anything concerning beauty to stress me. That is just my life. This hair now, I supposed to lose this hair, but how I will lose it, that is where my problem is. So once I have chance, I'll just go back to my salon and they will lose it. For me, I cannot lose it. So you guys should manage me like this, okay? It's not my fault. Are you the kind of person that have been convinced that without you pouring tube whitening serums, whitening powders, whitening oil, 3 days scrub, blah 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 into one soap, just because you want to make an effective mulatto soap? And do you know what baffles me most? Most of you end up complaining that, hey, my mulatto soap do give my customers white patches, green vein and stretch mark. What is going on? What's of your problem? Because I didn't even see the reason why I keep saying this. Any soap you use for mulatto soap is active. It's glutathione, kojic, and those soaps are active on their own. If you use them to make any of those things, it's very active if you combine two together, because if you're using just one, it's going to whiten up your skin. And just imagine when you combine 3 of them together and you still go ahead and pour powders, you still go ahead and pour serums, you still go ahead and pour oils into one soap. So just limit how you pour like thousands of things inside, most especially mulatto soap, just because they say it's king of whitening. Therefore you should just finish the king. I don't understand. So I beg, reduce how you pour whitening ingredients in your mulatto soap. Is very important. If you don't want to be experiencing white patches, green veins, stretch mark on customers just because of soap, you have to reduce how you pour whitening things inside. Just calm down, take your time, select those soaps that you know, yes, these soaps are active. And it's not every time training from this trend. Sit down. Have you ever sit down one day as a skincare formulator and create a recipe by yourself? At least there is no harm in trying. Try it and see how it goes. Okay, if there is an error, it will be very easy for you to correct it. Do you understand? So stop jumping from one channel to another looking for mulatto soap recipe from here and there. You combine 3 recipes together to make just one recipe, and you expect the soap not to react. You expect the soap not to damage skin. I don't know. I don't say my own. No. And before we dive into the video, let me just announce this. If you want to be reselling supplements, if you want to be reselling organic soaps and oils, if you want to be reselling supplements, we have a group now. So I'm going to be dropping the link of the group under the description, so you can just click on it and it will take you to the group. Okay, that is if you're interested. Like I said, we're going to be starting wholesalers supplements coming up soon. Okay, so very affordable, like very affordable. Just like as example now, this skin whitening tea that others are selling 7,000, 8,000 naira, 5,000 naira, we're going to be giving it out to resellers for 3,000 naira. So if you're interested, if you join the group, just drop a message on how many you want if you're interested, or any other product you are interested on. And our advanced class is going to be starting on 30th of April, which is this month. We have few days to go. Okay, so if you're interested, if you want to upgrade more, you want to add more to the one you know, we keep on learning every day. If you want to, you can just send a DM. Okay guys, this class is very amazing. Like, it's very fantastic, perfect to go. Okay, and if you can, like, if you are that smart enough, you can even repackage this training and train people with it and make your own money. Okay, so this is just a best opportunity. Back to our mulatto soap making. So if you're interested on this mulatto soap, you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and list all the ingredients we're going to be using for this. Remember, mulatto soap is for whitening, not for lightening or brightening, not for hot chocolate. Okay, so the number one ingredients we're going to be making, guys, this recipe I'm going to give you now is for 5 kg. For most of you that don't know how to make this, you know, this quantity of product or soap, this is for you as well. Okay, so if you want to make just 5 kg, maybe you're just starting, you just want to make a 5 kg, and that 5 kg in 250 grams is 20 pieces. So if you want to make that size, you just have to watch this video to the end. Okay, so all this recipe here is going to be for just 5 kg. Okay, so the number one ingredient you need is your Lalisa soap. Guys, Lalisa soap is extremely active that helps to whiten up the skin. You cannot even use Lalisa soap direct to your skin if you don't want to burn your skin, or if you don't want to get your skin irritated. Then the next one you need is your kojic sand soap. Guys, kojic sand soap is a very amazing soap I've ever seen. Guys, this soap is very nice when it comes to whitening up your body and your face, and it's not really that harsh to the skin. But I don't really advise hot chocolate or caramel skin to use it if you don't want to brightening up your skin, because the soap is very active. Then the next one you need is your kojic white soap. Guys, kojic white soap, guys, in fact, I love anything that has to do with kojic because I have tried a whole lot of their products and it's actually working for me. Okay, so kojic, the next one we have is our kojic white soap. Guys, kojic white soap is a whitening soap. Okay, so we 10 pieces of our kojic sand soap and 8 pieces of our Lalisa soap. Okay, if you want to whitening up your skin, you have an occasion to attend, if you start earlier to use this soap, believe me, this is gonna help to whiten you. The next one you need is skin free milk. Guys, the reason why I'm putting this skin free milk is for most of you that have customers or you have a very tough skin, you need that soap that will whiten you. Just add this skin free milk. Guys, that is why you need to learn with right vendor. Stop like putting all your trust on YouTube that you can learn how to make skincare formulator from YouTube. It's not possible. You're only going to get some tips but not knowing them all. That is just advice I can give you. Okay, you can take it if you want. Okay, so the next one you're gonna add to this is our carrot booster. So if you have a right vendor you can purchase this from, good and fine, just like a activator, good and fine. Remember, this is a 5D mulatto soap, so if you have a right vendor you can purchase this carrot booster, good and fine. If you don't, we have it available. Then the next one you're gonna add is our Osha Propra. You guys know me and Osha Propra is 1 and 1, not even 5 and 6, now 1 on 1. So we're going to be adding 1 liter of Osha Propra water. Most of you that have used this Osha Propra water know how amazing it is. Even sometimes I don't add any activator on my soap, just Osha Propra water, and I'm good to go. Okay, so you're going to be adding just 1 liter of Osha Propra into this soap and 1 liter of carrot booster into this soap. Okay, remember the measurement is for 5 kg. Okay, which is 20 pieces of 250 gram. If you are to, you know, package it in small containers, that is 250 gram. Okay, and I said Lalisa soap is 8 pieces, kojic sand is 10 pieces, kojic white is 12 pieces, and carrot booster 1 liter, and Osha Propra water 1 liter. Okay, so you guys already know how you can do this, but I'll still show you how to do it. Some people don't really know how to mix their soap and, you know, get this good texture. That is why I said YouTube is not enough for you if you're just starting. I keep on saying it. YouTube is not enough for you. You cannot get the right answers on here if you're just starting. You need to train, then come here to upgrade little. That is if you have a right vendor that will not deceive you, right? I am not perfect. So you just get your mixing bowl. Please and please make sure you watch this very well. You get your mixing bowl and grate all the soaps into your mixing bowl. Then you add your skin-free milk, you add your carrot booster, you add your osha proper water. If you have to add this osha proper water, just add half of it, which is 500 ml. Just add half of it and allow it the next day before you know how the texture is, if you like the texture, or you have to add more to it. Okay, so after you might have poured all this inside, then you make sure you wash your hands. Sometimes your mulatto soap can change color if your hands are dirty. Your mulatto soap can change color if your hands are dirty. That is why I always say, if you are to make a colored soap, you need to be very careful, extremely careful on what you use and how you handle them. If not, you might wake up in the morning and see that it's giving you another color that you don't even understand. Okay, so after you mix this together, don't blend your soap immediately you mix it together, or immediately you pour everything inside. Don't blend it immediately because everything has not come together. Okay, so the only thing you're going to do is just cover it up. Don't use a black nylon. You can use something like trim pan or something nice. Use it to cover it up and let it stay for the next day, that is 24 hours, before you can mix it with your hand mixer or your soap blender, or you can pound it. I don't know how you're going to do it depending on the one you want. Okay, so you just go ahead and mix this. Guys, this soap is going to help to whitening up your skin. Like anybody that comes to you telling you that this soap is not active or it damaged their skin, just know that the person, they don't send that from village. Like they don't send that one from village come for you. Because this soap is going to help to whitening up your skin. Like it's going to help to whitening up your skin. When I mean whitening, it's whitening up the skin. If you use everything I listed here and you get it from a right vendor and it is original, you are good to go. So this soap is going to help to whitening up the skin and also glow and moisturize the skin. So if you find it so difficult to make mulatto soap, this recipe is just for you. You are not going to regret it. If you're just starting, you can start with this. That is why I measure out this, which is 5 kg, okay, equal to 250 gram, 20 pieces. So we are good to go with this. Okay, and if you want to resell this supplement, like I said, you want to start up a business, you are sit at home mom, you are a student, guys, the earlier you start to set up yourself, the better for you. Stop channeling all your prayer points to your future husband. God, give me a husband that have billionaire. God, give me a husband that have money. If you have money, na abomination. So start now to defeat yourself. You understand? You want respect, but you want, in fact, I'm not a relationship therapist, but you need to use your head. 21st century, nobody say God give me husband will get money. Oh, you if you get money, if you build house, no be abomination. You understand my point? And hey, so that is just it. So this group is available. Like I said, the link is going to be on the description. So if you want to join this reselling, please, if you are interested only, I beg. So if you want to join, just click on that link and it will take you direct to the group. You send in your order or for the supplement, and the supplement, guys, you're going to gain a lot. Just imagine buying this skin tea for 3,000 naira and others are selling it for 5,000 naira and you're selling it for 4,000 naira, or maybe you get 50 pieces or 20 pieces or 100 pieces. Just tell me how much it is. Calculate 1,000 naira times 100 and tell me how much it is. So think about it. You want to join beauty line does not mean you should go and mix chemical and give your village people. You have to be careful. Think before you start. That is just the goal. The easy way is very, very amazing when customer come back 2 times. Not be when they use and run and that person will come. You are not doing well. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel. If you not subscribe to this channel, this soap no go work. Like kole work. So you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification. Okay, it's very important. Okay, and smash the like button, share with your friends and family. See you guys. Don't forget to drop your review on the comment section after you might have made the soap and see how it is, so that others can try. And for most of you that do come back with feedback, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much. At least it encourage others to, you know, try it. I don't blame anybody that, you know, sees my videos or my recipe and say I will not try it. I don't blame them. Okay, one Igbo adage say that the mechanic, you understand? Like mechanic people no allow us no be the mad people. I don't understand it. You understand my point? So I don't blame anybody. That is why you need to drop your feedback once you try it and it works for you. And if it didn't work for you, feel free to drop the feedback here so we know what to do. Okay, we all learn every day. That is just it. Love you guys. Try to subscribe and smash the like button. You guys are the best. Love you. Bye.